Thoroughly clean and wash the surface of your boat using DiTEC boat soap to remove any dirt, insects, bird droppings, or any other surface contaminants. If your paint or gel coat has contaminants, scratches, or oxidation, first clean and polish or buff the surface using DiTEC's polishing compounds and pads before applying PROTEC 1. Clean and prep your painted gel coat surface with DiTEC Crystal Clear. Spray generously on the surface in sections, then buff by hand and wipe dry with a clean microfiber cloth. The surface must be completely clean from grease and other contaminants in order for the PROTEC 1 to adhere properly to the surface. Each PROTEC 1 bottle comes with a microfiber applicator pad, a pair of nitrile gloves, and application instructions. Never apply PROTEC 1 in direct sunlight. After you've put on your gloves, remove the cap and apply a number of drops of product initially onto the side of the pad until evenly coated. Start by applying PROTEC 1 to a 2 by 2 foot section to help determine the bonding or the flash time for the day. This will help you determine your dry time. When applying PROTEC 1, 1 or 2 easy swipes left to right or top to bottom is all that is needed. Additional swipes will not equal a thicker coating. You will know that it is being applied properly if your applicator pad glides smoothly along the surface. If your applicator pad takes more effort to move across the surface, then add more drops of PROTEC 1 to your pad. Work in small sections to ensure an easy removal. I recommend a 4 foot by 6 foot section at a time. Make sure to overlap all your sections. Let the product dwell on the surface for 10 to 15 minutes. Remember, dwell time may differ depending on conditions. Less time when it is warmer and more time in colder temperatures. When applying to non-skid surfaces, there is no need to remove the excess product. Simply apply and let it dry. For paint or gel coat finishes, do not let PROTEC 1 completely dry after applied. During dwell time, PROTEC 1 will begin tacking up on the surface. Continually monitor the surface during this time by wiping a small area with a clean microfiber cloth. When there is a tacky or slight resistance when wiping, the product has begun to adhere and is ready to be wiped off and completely removed. Continue buffing the surface with a clean microfiber cloth until no residue is left on the paint. Each time you lift your microfiber cloth from the surface, be sure to use a clean side of the cloth to begin wiping again. This will ensure no residue is left behind on the surface. Then, with another new cloth, completely wipe the protected surface again, assuring all product is removed and leaves no streaks behind. Allow 24 hours for the coating to cure completely before it is exposed to moisture or rain, or before applying additional coats. 2 coats are recommended for longer lasting protection. For the easiest application and best results, apply PROTEC 1 coating when the temperature is between 60 and 85 degrees and relative humidity is below 70. Drying times will be longer at lower temperatures and in humid conditions. Add 4 capfuls of shampoo to 2.5 gallons of water. This shampoo is meant only for light washing, such as dust removal. If your gel coat has any heavier grime or dirt, first wash with DiTEC boat soap, then follow with another wash using the shampoo. You'll notice initially the shampoo will suds up nicely and then the suds will disappear. This is intended to happen. Using a separate wash mitt or thoroughly rinsed brush, wash the boat from top down. Rinse off with fresh water, rinsing again from the top down, and then dry with a microfiber or terry cloth towel. PROTEC quick coating should be applied to a dry surface. After you've washed and dried the boat surface, spray on quick coating and allow it to dwell for about 1 minute. Then wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. This should be done every 60 to 90 days. More frequent usage will only further enhance the protection on your boat's surface while removing water spots and adding a great luster or shine to your boat's paint or gel coat. Do not apply in direct sunlight and work in 10 foot by 10 foot sections.